Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade Forex on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll move from finding the Forex market inside the platform to placing an order with clear risk controls so you can follow along confidently. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you understand the risks of leveraged products before placing any live trades. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app. Once the platform loads, look for the compass icon at the top of the screen. This is the Explore or Discover area where all markets are organized by category. Click the compass to open the list of available instruments. From here, select Forex. This takes you to the Currency Pairs section. Forex, or foreign exchange, is where you trade one currency against another, such as EUR-USD or GBP-JPY. You'll see popular majors and minors, each with a live price and spread. Take a moment to note the pair's volatility and trading hours if they matter to your strategy. Next, choose the currency pair you want to trade. Click on it to open the detailed view. You'll typically see a price chart, the current bid and ask, and key information such as the spread. Use the time frame selector and chart tools if you'd like to quickly gauge trend or momentum, and be mindful of any news that could affect the pair. When you're ready, open the order ticket and choose whether you want to buy or sell. Buy if you expect the base currency, the first one in the pair, to rise against the second. Sell if you expect it to fall. You can enter the trade size that fits your plan, keeping in mind how leverage can amplify both gains and losses. If you'd like to set a pending entry rather than entering at the current price, click Set Limit, Stop. A limit order aims to get you in at a better price, while a stop order triggers if price moves through a specified level. Specify your desired entry price and confirm that the order direction matches your expectation. Now set your take profit. This is your target exit level where the platform will automatically close the trade to secure gains. Choose a realistic price based on support, resistance, or a risk-to-reward ratio you're comfortable with. Then set your stop loss. This is essential for risk management. Place it at a price level that invalidates your idea, or define it by a fixed loss amount, or pips, so you know your maximum risk before entering. Finally, review all details and click Confirm Buy to place the order. If you chose to sell, confirm the sell instead. That's it. Your Forex trade is now set up with clear targets and protection. Trade safely and review your positions regularly.